Hi everyone, welcome back to Function Pilates. I'm Vanessa Kelly, founder of Function Pilates, and in Friday's workouts, we go over some quick tips, some variations, some progressions, but today I'm going to talk about 5 different advanced exercises. I know a lot of you guys have asked me for more intermediate workouts, too advanced. I don't teach a ton of those, but I want to go over today 5 advanced exercises that are in our teacher training manual, okay? These are full body work 2 exercises, meaning it's a full body experience. You're going to feel the heat. They're definitely a lot more advanced. You want to understand the foundation of Pilates. You want to understand where your body is in space with the movements before you even get to this level. If it's even something that you want to achieve as your own personal goal. But I want to go over these a little bit more in detail and give you the opportunity to place them in your own personal workouts if you guys are designing your own workouts at home. So yeah, the first exercise we're going to do is called balance control front, okay? So I'm going to take it what feels comfortable for me, which is a medium spring. But if you're newer to these exercises, I would recommend going on a medium and a light spring, okay? Just to give you more assistance and support through the exercise. This again you're going to feel it in your core. You're going to feel it everywhere. So balance control front is the first one. And we're going to take our hands to the shoulder blocks and we're going to take our foot to the foot bar. Now, the trick is you're gonna press out to a straight leg, and when you feel ready, when you feel supported with your hands on the shoulder blocks, okay, take your time, you're going to go ahead and take the opposite foot there. So basically you're holding a plank position, right? From here, you can just hang out here, but the actual exercise is once you're here, you're going to move the carriage forward and pull back. So on the lighter spring, it's going to feel like your abs and your core have to support you a lot more. With the heavier springs, I would say you're going to feel it mostly in your arms and your shoulders. So you're just going back and forth. And then to come down, you can bring one knee first. Then we're going to bend the opposite knee and come back down into a safe position. It's a lot on the wrist, okay? So just know that going into this exercise, you can aim your way anywhere from 1 repetition to 10 repetitions where you're moving the carriage up and down. So that's a good one to integrate. And let me just remind you too that all of these exercises you want to have already been a prime 30 minutes into your workout at that point, because you want to get the body really warmed up and moving around before you start to add these exercises. So number 2 is balance control back. I'm going to stay on the same spring and toes are going to go on the foot bar. Hands are going to go on the shoulder blocks here. And I'm going to go out to a straight leg position. And once I'm there, I'm going to go ahead and press myself up. Okay, so now I'm more in this seated position. Chest is lifted. And same idea, you're going to push back with your arms and then pull it forward. So you're pressing with the back of your arms, the back, using your lats and all the other supporting muscles throughout your back, lower back, upper back. And again, same idea, however many repetitions you can do in this form, right? The whole trick is keeping the hips off the carriage as well, and then carefully bring it back down. Good, okay. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these so far. Again, they're challenging. These are all things that I teach in our teacher training program, but you learn exactly how to also implement them into the workout. The third exercise we're gonna do is tendon stretch, okay? So we're gonna take ourselves on the foot bar in a seated position. Your hands, this is the important part here, guys. Your hands are on the foot bar, fingertips are facing the back. Thumbs are not around the foot bar. Your thumbs are in line with the rest of your fingers, okay? Very important detail there. Then you're gonna have your feet right on the edge of the carriage, and I'm gonna start to push out 2 straight legs here, okay? From this position, what I wanna do is I want to pull my hips up in the air off the foot bar, okay? So you're going to allow your abs to drive you up and then down. So right now it's this portion where you're lifting and I'm hovering off the foot bar, okay? For the more full range of motion, you can go down into the well and then pick yourself up as high as possible. So work with what you're doing, especially if these are new for you, so that you can really think about the exercise and then carefully bring it back in. So would you be doing all of these exercises in a workout? Absolutely not. If you want to, and you're at that level, for sure, challenge yourself and do that. But these are really more about implementing one, maybe two of them into your workout, your advanced workout, but don't feel like you need to use all of them, okay? Now, next one is long back stretch. So we're still seated here. Let's take your hands exactly in the same place. You're going to drive your feet up to the shoulder blocks. And from here, we're gonna go into a little tricep dip. So you're gonna bend your elbows. You're gonna push your hips towards the ceiling. Use your back muscles to pull you again towards the stopper before you go back into dropping your hips, okay? And then bend into your tricep dip. Lift, squeeze your glutes, and drag your body back in again. Okay, I'll try this again 2 more times. We're gonna bend and lift and pull it in. Good. One more. You bend your elbows, you lift your hips, you use your upper back muscles to drag you in, and then carefully have a seat on the foot bar. Okay, let's do one more. So hopefully you guys are liking these. We're gonna go into Arabesque, and I really like Arabesque. It's similar to what you guys have probably seen before, elephant, up stretch one, that I've done here on the channel as well in previous workouts. But Arabesque is gonna be, again, more challenging in this sense. So we're gonna set ourselves up. I'm still on that medium spring, so I'm okay with you guys still being on a medium and a light spring, so just pick and choose what works for you. And then you're gonna come up on top of the reformer. Okay, you're in a 3/4 high heel position with your feet, all right? And try to keep the carriage in. We're not moving it yet, but you wanna push your body back. And then you're gonna take your right foot and you're going to swing it out to the side to pull back behind you, okay? So it's in the air and you're going to use your abs to push the carriage back. Use your abs to pull in. Try to make your leg in the air very energetic and using your left leg to help navigate the movement here, okay? So again, you're pulling in and pressing with your glutes. So much, again, that's why we call this full body work, but it's labeled full body work too because these are a lot harder to do. I'm gonna take it to the other side. So bring that down. Left leg goes out to the side, it comes back, hold, and straight legs with both. Square through your shoulders. I'm tighter on my right side, so this is harder for me to do. You guys might notice the same thing as you're doing exercises. Good, and then I'm gonna bring it back in all the way. Perfect. Kate, take that seat and relax. Again, I just did 5 advanced exercises, not part of my normal routine, but hopefully these can break it down more for you so you understand how to do these exercises on your own. Be gentle with yourself. Again, fewer repetitions in the beginning is key, mainly because you don't want to wear and tear your body or set yourself up for any type of injury. So again, be very careful. If you have an instructor that you go and see, again, have them supervise you on your form, your alignment. If you guys have questions, let me know. Leave it in the comments. I will answer you guys back. I love reading your comments and seeing what you guys want more of. If you want more of these types of breakdowns of exercises too, something I can definitely add in as well on these Friday quick tips. But hopefully you like this. And if you liked it, leave it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, I would do that because then you get notifications. I have Monday, Wednesday, Friday workouts come out every single week. So love you guys. I will see you next week. you.